without any further ado, I'd like to bring up our Friday night house team, Seagull related fish fights.
All right. Hello, friends. We are Seagull related fish fight. My name is Brad.
I'm Jimmy.
John.
Bagley.
Tom.
Brady.
Melissa.
What we're going to do is a form here called the zoom in to get it started. I don't know what it's called. To get it started, we just need an object.
Close like this. Tupperware.
Tupperware is the object.
There's a burp midair.
Smells like tuna.
The burp is traveling in an upward direction.
It's got the atoms of 1,000 meals before it.
There's a mad scientist with a confused look.
It's got a larger burst and then smaller and smaller as it goes up in wisps out the top.
There's tiny little mad scientists in each bird.
It's just a soda. Y'all want?
I want what you've got.
It's dying.
Don't let him out.
Listen. Just promise me one thing. You'll never drink a diet soda.
Mom.
It's crazy.
I promise.
Look, I want to hire you for the job, but I noticed during the course of the conversation you keep looking around like someone else is talking to you.
All right.
We really need someone that can really focus, like laser focus. We're working with radioactive materials. Excuse me, radioactive. Yes, we're working with radioactive. I'm really getting concerned.
So I'm really glad that you finally asked me out. I mean, you're so attentive, you know, you've listened to everything that I've said. And I really appreciate it.
Oh! I just spilled barbecue sauce on my white pants. I should have seen this coming. I warned you about the white pants. Yes, you warned me. I know you warned me. You told me not to wear them. But
I actually didn't know that you were wearing white pants for this.
Ooh.
You're handsome.
That's not helpful at all. Sorry, all right, I hear voices. And I know you're gonna think that's crazy, but Joan of Arc heard voices, and look what she did.
Joan of Arc was handsome too. I think you're hot.
Joan of Arc was hot.
Okay, listen, Paul, your 5th grade science fair project was highly original, and you know the anatomical structure of the bird, great, but we didn't care for your attitude at the end.
Sucked.
When you just ask, you get it? You say do you get it? To all of us, you know? We didn't care for that.
It's an attitude.
It's more about joke delivery.
I mean, clearly it's successful. All 5th graders are now threatened by the two of you.
Perfect.
We're going to control their lives, control their futures, and they'll
I mean,
They-
Sashmouth has dropped so much in 6th grade.
They're so.
Keep your voice down.
Hey, I warned you about that. It's
You
not
can't
gonna work
threaten
on
me.
It's not gonna work on me.
Don't point.
I'm a principal.
Don't point.
Listen, you
If
two
I
are
come
just-
out from behind
you two are
this
just getting
chair.
out of hand.
If you want us to take your point, you won't
Glenn!
point. You won't point! You won't point, boy!
Glenn!
Not careful.
Wait, Glenn, where are you?
Point in your eye!
You two are out of hand.
Touch your knees.
No!
We're not on the
Ah!
You don't want to touch
Oh,
your
hey,
knees.
sorry, I was late.
Fuck you, Glenn.
It's like when I look into your eyes, I can see a million futures.
Your eyes are blue.
It's like when I look into your eyes, I see like 10 billion burp bubbles.
Your eyes are brown.
It's like I know you and you know me. You're like amazing.
When I look into your eyes, I can see brown.
You have brown eyes.
You simply have to come to New York and teach the Meisner technique to my class.
You have brown eyes.
See how I changed? Tell me again.
You have brown eyes.
Yeah, I'm just an optometrist. We don't have to.
It's lightning in a bottle.
It's not gonna happen again.
We just happen to be the right band at the right place at the right time.
Yeah, the right look. Jeez.
I mean, accordion ska's just not gonna come around again.
How are we gonna win this year's Battle of the Bands?
Not the way we did last year.
Kick this stupid accordion
No,
out.
don't you do that!
These trombones.
No, you're just making this. Please don't throw it. We need as many instruments as we can to win this battle of the bands.
Yeah, well, it's not gonna be as in the scordion.
Richie! Paul! Stop.
We zoom in on a smashed trumpet.
It's smashed brass.
It sounds like old dirty jazz.
It's a Miles Davis version that has the horn pointed upward.
The spit valve got broken out, so it's all dripping spit.
There's a blow dart sticking out of the horn part.
Spit smells like burps and tuna.
There's a professional engraving, and next to it is an unprofessional engraving.
John, let me borrow your knife. Listen, I want us to engrave our names in the back of the guitar and write a pact, okay?
Yeah, of course.
This band's never gonna break up.
Alright.
Ready?
It may concern.
You hear that? It sounds like somebody's like being carved into and they don't like it.
Huh.
crime of robbery and lots of other robberies, I doom you to permanent life as a guitar.
No matter what?
Actually, I think it should be a couple paragraphs long, like a formal contract.
Yeah, that's why I saved a lot of room on the body of the guitar.
It's a big guitar, you know? Like,
No.
alright. Just say, you know, like, no matter what, we're not gonna break up. We do this for soul. We're soul players, but we don't specifically play soul. You know, and if we do make money, we'll split everything 60-40 because my dad bought the guitar.
Jesus Christ, can you finish up?
See, that's your problem right there. All those cuts on the back. This doesn't never make a sound again.
What do you mean? It was just in the back. It's just in the way.
Whoa,
It's
that's where the soul of a guitar is. You scratch off the back enough, and just the sound is gone.
It's soul. What do
Yeah. You play a note. Normally, there's no back, and all that sound bounces off and goes out that small front hole for some reason. You cut too much in the back, and there's nothing to bounce off of. All goes into your belly.
What if I put like fish suckers?
Tell me how a flute works.
I'm glad you asked. See, what you do is you gotta. First off, it's a ridiculous instrument, so you gotta imagine every soda you've ever drank in your life, and you gotta just blow out your hopes and dreams onto this ridiculous thing, and just hope sound comes out. Mm-hmm. And it all goes to the right, because any music that goes to the left, it's gonna be bad music.
You know what I don't know much about?
What's that?
How one of those metal triangles work.
Whoa! Well, it's kind of advanced.
Hit me.
So bagpipes, right? There's a reed in the back.
Like the dog that giggled at
Yeah.
The didgeridoo, you know?
It's one of those words that you have in your head, and then when you want to say it, it's gone.
I like to say we fell off
I'm just excited that you guys both came in for this one. So what you do is you go to a kindergarten class, you take one of those rain sticks they make, right? You cut off both ends because it's just packing tape. You get out all the beans, and then you just kind of blow into it. And all the straws inside, they're just going to make that natural reverberation.
What, Pinto?
Well, I mean, the beans are gone by then. There used to be...
My first thought was the car that exploded.
No.
Oh, the Ford Pinto?
Ford Pinto.
Is it a Ford Pinto?
No, Mustang Pinto. No, that's not right.
What are you doing? Mustang Pinto.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
She's dirty.
The weld lines are horizontal. That's how it was meshed together.
The gasoline tank is glass and on the front bumper.
There are two Seagull lighters on either side of the glass gasoline tank.
The steering wheel is actually lagging on the back attached to a fishing line to the car.
On the hood, there is a giant red arrow pointing exactly at the gas tank.
There's one of those like safety hammers, so in case of emergency you can break open the gas. glass gas. It's right yeah.
On the back is just a stop sign someone took off the side of the road, and it spins around when you stop.
On the front, it looks like a horse, like a Mustang, but then the bottom half is just like a pinto bean that's been smashed.
Pinto beans, yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Loves cruising Broad Street, you know. Dice are cool. What's up?
Oh,
Oh, sorry. Just let him pass, honey.
This has emergency stopping.
Oh, Jim, is that you?
Hey! It's great to see you.
Oh my goodness, I missed you at book club.
We should have some questionable transactions right here, but I
Oh.
don't want to stereotype.
Hey, Doris, happy birthday!
Happy
Happy birthday to you!
Just put it down.
Happy birthday, dear Doris! Happy birthday to you!
Hey, what are you looking at?
It's her birthday! It's her birthday! Hey, move!
Shut up, John! Shut up!
What?
It's fine! There might be a few more people. Just wait. Just wait. Just give people a fucking chance!
Just sit in the middle of a road.
Where's that improv theater? I mean, I see the cemetery. Why does GPS take me to the cemetery?
No, he must be.
What? No, I'm behind McDonald's. How do I get there?
This is not a good neighborhood. This is an improv
I'm
theater.
in the front of the building. I'm in the front of the building. Why can't I get in?
Is it inside of Firehouse 13? Is it inside Firehouse 13?
Oh, that place used to be a pho restaurant. Awesome. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's where they
Let's
sell
do
the
drive-thru.
roasted ducks. I know where that is.
We're out of gas. Maybe
Shut the
somebody.
motor off.
Maybe people. No. Can you? We ran out of gas. What was push?
Never mind.
It's Doris's birthday. Oh, Mr. Chipotle, I'm so sorry. I keep getting sick. I am Mr. Chipotle. Oh, God.
Here's the thing, if you screw up again, I'm gonna bust this hot sauce bin and it's gonna spray all over you.
I deserve it. I don't know what it is. We've checked the meat 1,000 times.
We do. I feel like you're missing one of the 13 pillars of being a Chipotle employee.
Could you just remind me of all 13?
I believe that's your job. You're the one who has to remember. I just enforce them.
That certainly got turned around on me.
That's right, Mr. Chipotle doesn't remember things. He enforces rules.
That's why you have
I'll
your
get
memory
you
staff,
started.
of course.
Leadership.
One! Freshness. 2! Natural ingredients. 3! A wall with holes of varying size drilled into it. 4! Water cup is just for water, motherfucker. 5! Rice can be a lot of different shades.
Yep.
6!
One scoop, you just take a little out of it, and that's what we give them.
Black t-shirts never go out of style. 7! Takes a lot longer than that.
What are our jalapenos?
Welcome to Wendy's. You've been here for a week and a half. You should know all 17 tenets of being a proud Wendy's employee.
All right, Miss Wendy. Number 1, square burgers are better than circle burgers.
1!
Number 2, water cups are just for water, motherfucker.
2! I prefer Mother Effer. This isn't Chipotle, motherfucker!
You've been working at this subway for 2 days now. Tell me. Look at 22 golden
Number 1, even though we're not healthy, I have to say that we are. Number 2, if a customer wants light on sauce, put triple the amount of sauce. Yeah. Oh, good.
Wendy, Subway.
Chipotle.
I'm gonna attack you too with my pillars.
I'm gonna attack you with my penance.
I'm gonna get after that bird that keeps shouting. Oh, it's saying battle.
Oh!
I thought it said bad tool.
I thought it said bad tooth.
No, battle.
Still not quite sure.
I have no idea.
Batul.
Batul.
Bad tool.
Batul.
Bad tool.
Batul.
Bad tool?
That band from the late 90s.
Bad
But a
tool.
bad version.
It's the same.
Oh, I get it. I get it.
Street Fighter.
Where's Brad?
Let's get Brad in there. Let him decide who the winner is.
I was trying to think of another restaurant I could do a funny walk-on as, but like nothing worked.
Carl's Jr.
Oh, it's right there.
Sonic. Who called me?
Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen.
Batu.
And Arby's.
Arby's.
Always last.
I'm sorry, is Arby's a pirate? Because that would have way.
No, it's
Arby's.
Oh, Arby's. All right, I was thinking Long John Silver's. That's what I was thinking.
That's-
But Arby's is a great joke.
Wait, Long John Silver's also Western, right? It's a cowboy.
Long John Silver's a pirate. It's seafood.
I thought he was. No, Ari.
I'm not a pirate.
Makes sense.
Long John
Well,
Silver's
you said
pirate.
Arby's.
Yeah.
Arby's is a cowboy hat.
Can we just wipe this real
My
quick?
identity.
I didn't get mayonnaise. Sorry.
Hey, here's your Mustang sauce.
Mustang sauce? You got us Mustang sauce? You got Mustang sauce? Instead of mayonnaise?
Yeah.
You didn't get mayonnaise, you got Mustang?
Okay, look, I didn't want to bring this up here, but we really need to spice up things a little. It's not everything, but a lot. It's a small start.
It's gonna taste gamey.
Oh, suddenly now we're into like Mustang sauce?
Mustang sauce.
Mustang sauce! Mustang
I had a turkey
sauce!
club.
What? That needs mayonnaise!
Ah!
So I brought up Mustang sauce and she acted like I pierced her lung. I don't know. Jesus.
That's so lame.
I
I don't know
know.
what the hell's wrong with Mustang sauce.
No,
It's delicious.
it's delicious. Yeah, see?
It's better than mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mayonnaise is like old. It's like, how many years of mayonnaise do you want? 26? That's enough. You need Mustang sauce once in a while. Spice it up a bit.
Yeah, I've been saying, he just needs to be a better listener. Anyway, thanks for taking me under your wing at work. Here's your turkey club. Mail. Just gonna do some flexing over here. Oh, I'm so young and virile.
Your sub's almost done. Would you like mayonnaise, Mustang sauce, or a stab to the lung?
Oh, I'm sorry. I would just like a little bit of Mustang sauce.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. too much.
He's coding! He's coding! Get in here! He's got 2 punctured lungs! You've got a broken ankle!
The horsey sauce or the Mustang sauce?
The Mustang sauce antidote! I need 50 cc's of something!
Pour the Mustang sauce right into the chest tube.
Well, yeah, alright, he's.
I'm trying to help him!
Who are you talking to, Doctor?
It doesn't matter!
You're so young and virile.
Thank you. There's a lot of callbacks going on right now.
Let's go to Arby's.
Arr! Who wants to go to Arby's? I'm just calling back.
Yep, good. You're gonna tag out so you can be Arby's again?
Yar.
Okay. Alright, let's switch places. You can just be another
can we
eight.
both be Arby's?
Yeah, that's fine. Arby's is plural.
Wait, I could be Waltz, you could be Arby's.
Maybe it could be like Arby's, like horses.
Yarbies.
No, never mind.
I like Arby's.
Should we be checking his vitals or something? Or...
I'm just pumping him full of Mustang sauce.
He'll be fine.
Oh, someone burp. That'll be a fun callback.
That'll be good.